underwater. No one taught me how to swim. At the very, very beginning, I just stood there because I had no idea what to do. Then I copied exactly what other people were doing, and I could swim. In Malawi, there is a massive, massive lake about the size of Wales, maybe a bit smaller. There are 5 lakes together. They are connected and called Lake Malawi. My mom bought a fishing boat and would go to the deep place and jump in. Sometimes I was scared to go in the water when it was cold, and my friends or my dad would push me in for no reason. I like the hotel near the lake. It's amazing. We stayed over one holiday. Sometimes we stayed there for a day in the weekend. In Wales on holiday, we go to the swimming pool or the sea. Sometimes the water is really, really cold. If you want to get in the water, you have to get pushed in because the water is cold. The water in the swimming pool, here it's warm, but in Malawi the water in the swimming pool is cold because it's really, really, really hot. I go to the swimming pool in the holiday because it's free. If I'm bored, I have 2 friends who live near my house. I just go to their houses and we walk to the swimming pool. We play tag in the water, mess around, and we play a game where we chuck something in the deep end. Then we have to go and get it. That's how I lost my goggles.